Hello everyone. As you all know about the noun, now we are going to discuss about the countable noun and uncountable noun. And this topic is very important because after knowing this concept, you will be able to place the articles at the appropriate places. Now let's begin with the concept of countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So here countable means which you can count. It's very simple. But if you talk about uncountable, which you cannot count, so it seems to you that it is very easy to understand, but it is not so. It is in fact a very difficult concept to understand, the countable and uncountable nouns. Now let's try to start with the certain examples. Let's start with one example, money. Money, is it countable or uncountable? Most of the people think that it is countable because we can count money. But however, it is uncountable. Money is uncountable. The reason for being the uncountable is because one cannot say with full confirmation what money you are talking about. Now let's take one example. My father gave me some money. Can you count the money? No, you can't count money. So this is the reason that money is listed under the heading of uncountable nouns. Now time, again it is uncountable. You can say we can count time, but unfortunately we cannot count time because no one will understand which time you are talking about. So here we have understood certain difficulties in assessing whether this is countable or uncountable nouns. Now we can work on few concepts through which one can easily understand whether it is countable or uncountable nouns. So if you want to find out any noun as countable, and this is very important concept since you can easily write a or an preceding the countable nouns. For example, I have a pencil. Since pencil is countable noun, you have to write what? A article. If you do not place any article before the countable noun, it means you have committed error in grammar. Secondly, in order to know about the concept of countable nouns, you need to know that the first concept is you have to place some countings before any countable nouns or any nouns. Place the articles. If it makes some kind of sense, it is countable. For example, book. Now if you place one book, two books, three books, four books, it makes some sense. Yes, therefore book is a countable noun. And if it doesn't make any sense, it is uncountable. Now take one more example. Now petrol. So one petrol, two petrol, three petrol, one water, two water, three water. Does it make any sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. Therefore all these nouns are uncountable. Is this clear? Okay. Now the second method, in order to check whether the given noun is countable or uncountable. Now first we have to think whether we need to change the unit. If we need to change the unit of any noun, it is uncountable. And if we do not require to change any unit, it should be the countable noun. For example, if I talk about time, so I have to change in second, minutes, days, hour. So this is uncountable. Now orange, I shouldn't change in terms of anything. One orange, two oranges, three oranges, it is countable noun. So I'm giving you some list of uncountable nouns through which you can easily understand the concept of countable and uncountable nouns. So here, list of uncountable nouns: accommodation, advice, baggage, behavior, bread, damage, furniture, information, luck, luggage, news, permission, progress, scenery, traffic, weather, work. So, I think you must have understood the core concept in order to differentiate between the countable and uncountable nouns.
Wow.